This 5-minute solution will show you how to make Google private search on iPhone. So you can easily enable private search for Safari and Chrome browser. Follow these quick steps to do it. First of all, let's enable private search for Google Chrome browser. So open your Google Chrome browser and tap on this three dot. Tap on New Incognito tab. And now you can start private search. And now let's see the process for Safari browser. Launch the Safari browser. Tap on this icon. Tap on Start Page. Select Private. And tap on Done. And your private browsing mode is enabled. Now you can search anything privately on Google. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.